Let's build an RC car controlled by an ESP32 using Bluetooth and the Dabble app. I'll guide you through each step of the code, but before we dive in, we need to set up our Arduino IDE by installing the Dabble library. The first step is to install the Dabble library in Arduino IDE. Open the Arduino IDE and go to the Sketch menu. Click on Include Library, then select Manage Libraries ... in the Library Manager. Search for Dabble in the search bar. When the library appears, click on Install. That's it. Now, we enable Bluetooth communication between the ESP32 and the Dabble app. First, we include the Dabble library and Gamepad module from the Dabble library. Next, we define the GPIO pins used to control the motors. We have 4 functions to handle motor movement: turn left, turn right, move forward, and move backward. Also stop motors. In the setup function, we configure the motor pins as outputs using pin mode. We also initialize Bluetooth communication with the Dabble app using Dabble begin Bluetooth, which sets the name of the Bluetooth connection. Now, let's look at the loop function. Dabble process input. This constantly checks for inputs from the Gamepad module on the app. If the up button is pressed, move forward is called with a speed of 120, followed by a delay, and stop motors. If down is pressed, the car moves backward. Similarly, left and right buttons trigger turning functions. Connect the ESP32 board to your PC using a USB cable. Make sure you have the correct board and COM port selected. Finally, click the Upload button, the arrow icon at the top, to upload the code to the ESP32. Once the upload is complete, your ESP32 is ready to use with the Dabble application. Let's test it out.